Lamig yung kayo ko cake, guys. Walay power. Lamig kayo. Kalami! Hello, guys! So today, we're gonna make banana cake. Our ingredients are banana, milk. What's this? Egg, butter, flour, sugar. What's this, Papa? Vinegar? Vanilla extract. Cocoa powder, baking powder, and cinnamon. Welcome back to my channel, guys! Mag-bake ko og banana cake. What's the ingredients first? Mag-make og banana cake kay basin malata ang banana. Are you ready? Are you excited? Comment down below in my YouTube channel or Facebook page. It's me, Zizi. You can see it on top of my hat. So I don't need to question my name. You can literally see it. ZZBU. Mag-bake ko karon kay para mawa akong stress sa akong parents. Na-stress mo ka? Kaon og banana cake. Listen kayo guys ha, kay itabangan kini na Papa. Papa, what's first ingredient? Kani si Papa, tabian kayo. Ganan ako mo bake. Pa, what's the first ingredient? In a bowl, ibutan na ako sa 3, 2, 1. Too messy! Guys, do what I would bake messy na! First step na messy. Okay na. Lain. Next is baking powder with sugar. This is mixed, guys, baking powder and salt. The salt is work the same as the flour. Na-stress jud kayo ni si Papa, sure ko. Stress is prak. In another bowl is the wet ingredients. Add the butter. All of them. Oh my gosh. Sugar. Oh my gosh, the bowl is almost clean. Okay, so next, guys, we're gonna put eggs. It's the top for me. Where should I cook it? Okay, I hope it's gonna get perfect, but my hand didn't. Oh, the shells. I'm gonna put it here. I don't want the shells in my egg. Milk, guys, we're gonna add milk. This is the satisfying part. Finally, nawa mag-stress ni Papa kaga ASMR ko. ASMR ni makayo ni Papa ba? Vanilla extra. Mikos. I don't want the egg. How can I mush the... Oh my gosh, it's turning orange. Oh my gosh. Assistance, please, Mama.
Peel the banana.
Can you peel it? Girl, I see a bluebird looking at me. So much destiny. I'm peeling the banana. Wow. I'm gonna use 3 red bananas. 3! It's okay if it's like my hand is like wet. Mura ako gaduwa-duwaan, guys. Kinamura. Mama, assistance. Makuwag lingkuranan pero makalingkod ka, be. I mash it now. 3, 2, 1. No assistance. Magsige kung bake labon wala ko'y klase ini ka July 29 ba? 27 pa. Mag-enjoy ko vacation. Salamat, Teacher June, Teacher Joy, Teacher Narly, Teacher Fe, Teacher Princess, at si Teacher Agnes. Favorite na ko sila tanan. Ginuo ko pastila na stock. Pa, tayo maps ni ha, kay sakit kayo ko ani. Klaro, tayo sa mo, pero sakit na hinoon. Isap sakit. Ayo, time lapse akong talk pa. It's like slime, but it's actually banana. Dugay wala na ko dugay ko wala ga-vlog kay gabisi ko sa kong dog sugats. Ay, Ginoo ko. Fork banday ni. Ay takong mic. May pati na ani limot ko tapot-tapot ng mic. Papa, what next? Ingredients. Ibutang na ako with ingredients sa akong banana. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, the fork! Inato ra jud ni guys. Ibalhin nato ni sa BK para daghan space. Mikos, bilikos. Unsa may bago chika nato ron guys. Huwag mikos ko. Ha ha ha. Apili ko chika. Balitain na jud ko if na latest kay Marites para ko gamay. Atini, ikaw dyan Marites. Labi atini. Add the dry ingredients. 3, 2, 1. First is scrape na sa side, guys. It's like making pancakes. Like the hard, but the pancakes are gonna get hard. I remember making. Bailey, mapareha jud ka ni Winter. What part away? Dark chocolate is my favorite. Chocolate, my favorite. Now I'm gonna put blueberries and almond. I don't like almond, guys. That's my not favorite. That's my non-favorite almond. I don't like almond. Try me, and I'm not gonna like almond. Okay, good. I'm done. I will transfer this into a pan. Wait, it's really hard. Really hard. Tarik ninyo pour it and I scrape it. 3, 2, 1.
Careful.
No, I want to do it. I have to stand. Yeah, guys, I have to stand. Fine, Papa will do it. Even I love it. Papa still will do it. Wow! Jesus, don't shake it. I will bake it like 45 minutes or 40 minutes. Kani mag-bake guys kay kapo ra jud og hugas. Mas lami to magkaon na ta na human na ta ani na vlog. Kanunon kayo ko. Pasyusyal pa jud ni si Papa. Klaro. Labon magdali tagkaon, pasyusyal pa jud. I mean, guys, excited yun ni si Papa mo. Pasyusyal ba di kaon. Bye! Preheat ang oven, please! Sign language A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Mag-break na ta, mag-preheat pa dyan sa oven. Anya ako magsige, tsabe. May sa Marta, tighuwat. Hello guys, it's finally done. I wanted to eat this, but it's still hot. Don't you dare touch it when it's done. What do you call it? Frying? Oven. Humot kayo guys. Kakanon na ako. Pero init pang salig. Nakadagama na sa'yo. Kay kanang igutom ko kayo. Kuboy ako ga-lunch kanira akong lunch. Akong dinner kay as what you call it? Ice crumble at scorched eggs. Thank you for inviting me, Ninang. Paddle Pals, shout out. Nag-bake ko ani guys kaya nabitin ko kay Kuya James na banana cake with chocolate. Crispy on the top. Di mo hikam. Uy, madalo ko paso na buwan eh. This is the banana cake. This is the chocolate. The almond, the almond is down. I can see it. Yeah. And then this is like the crisp. It's gonna make them more crispy. But the more crispier, the more delicious. Wow! Iklaro, naka-rhyme naman ko. Lamig yung kayo ko cake, guys. Walay power. Lamig kayo. Kalami! Next vlog, guys, mo shout out ka tanan who comments my video. Tanan mo comments akong shout out jud. Shout out to my biggest fan, what do you call it? Paddle Pals! Kay Bao, guys, makadaot pa yung panatikit. Makadaot na yung walay pares. Ngaon pa rin siya ng milkshake. Kani akong papa shaker ne. Usahay panday. Driver punin ako. Walay laing driver, di man ko ka-drive. 6-year-old tamang ko, wama, dili kaya pa'y duha ka bata sa sulod sing tiyan. Di mo ko tabian, guys. Ay, unsa kong giingon? Medium, para yan natin bata niya. The shake is now ready. I'm gonna slice this one na. I need assistance. I don't want my hand to get cut. Special na shake, igaman ni Papa, balami kayo. I wish naka-try ka ulit, guys. Nga unta. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.